They were already decided to celebrate Nehru's birthday. Okay. Finally, Nehru decided that to celebrate his birthday, but not in his name. Okay. He wanted his birthday to be celebrated in the names of children. Okay. That is the reason why today we are celebrating Nehru's birthday in the name of children. Okay. So, and why did he wanted to celebrate his birthday in the name of children? Because he loved the children the most. That is the reason why today we are celebrating Nehru's birthday as Children's Day. Okay. So, and as you all know, Jawaharlal Nehru, he was not just the Prime Minister of India. Okay. He was also a great administrator. He was a great freedom fighter. He was a philanthropist. Okay. And he had contributed a lot for the development of the nation. That should be remembered to me. That is why we are celebrating his birthday. So, and another thing is, basic things you already know, like where did he born? Okay, he born in Allahabad, UP. Okay, and in 14th November 1889. Okay. So, and another important thing is, their parents were Motilal Nehru and Swaraj Raju. Okay, they were the parents of Jawaharlal Nehru. This is the general idea about it. And as you all know, he was a lawyer. Now, I would like to talk about the involvement of Nehru in the field of freedom movement. Okay, so because I already said that he was a freedom fighter. Nehru was a freedom fighter. Okay, his contribution to the nation cannot be ignored. Because after Gandhiji, it was Nehru. Contribution is very much, it has to be recognized. Okay, so here first, for the first time, Nehru met Gandhiji in Lahore session. Okay, from then onwards, their friendship began in the Lahore session. Okay, and in 1920, for the first time, he participated in freedom struggle. But how? Because there was a freedom, farmers movement which was going on. Since he was a lawyer, okay, he had decided, he had made a mind to be the politician. That is why he took part in this particular activity. What is it? It was agitation, farmers agitation. He participated in that farmers agitation. Through that particular agitation, he entered politics. And it was related to farmers agitation. It was related to farmers. Okay, farmers agitation it was. And as you all know, when the Britishers came here in India, they tried to exploit Indians in many ways, especially farmers. They introduced Raitwari system, Mahalwari system, okay, Zamindari system. They introduced so many kinds of taxation systems. It's only because they just wanted to get more tax, okay, and through it they started to exploit Indians, especially farmers. Okay, against this, our honorable Prime Minister, the former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru stood and he fought for the farmers. Okay, that is one thing. And another thing that I would like to bring to your notice is that when he was participating in the Lahore session in 1929, okay, he was a chairman of that particular session. INC session used to take place every year in December. Okay, in 1929. There was a session in Lahore. Okay, it was an INC session, and the presiding officer was Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, he for the first time, okay, talked about Purna Swaraj. Okay, what do you know about this Purna Swaraj? What do you know about Purna Swaraj? Earlier, in my previous speech, I was talking about Swaraj, just Swaraj. Swaraj is just a freedom. Okay, in India, we had two different kinds of people. Okay, there was one section of the people, they wanted British rule. Okay, and the people who were supporting Britishers were also Indians. Okay, and there were other sections of the people, they just wanted these Britishers to be kicked out of India. Okay, these kinds of people were also there. Okay, and here, this moderates and extremists, what we say, these people were the supporters of British because they wanted the British rule in India.